Alright everybody, today as you can see we're on an abandoned train. This is a sort of semi-active area where I am. There's places on either side of me, so I have to keep that in mind. May or may not have been spotted already. I guess we'll find out. Cool. And there's a fuckload of spider webs here. Look at the size of that hedgehog. I believe that's my way up in here, boys and girls. Wish me luck. A reward of up to $100. We paid for information that leads to the conviction of persons guilty of stealing and willfully damaging passenger seats or other property. Well, I mean, I think it's a little bit late for that, hey? That's pretty good advice. Well, this is kind of weird here. We got a couple of new boards, or newish looking boards, just sort of stuck up. I mean, was someone doing a shoot here or what? Every day around the world, rainforests the size of Sydney are being destroyed. Hey, well, I mean, judging by how old this train is, that area is probably a hell of a lot bigger by now. See, that's how old this one is. So you got a non-smoking sign there and a $10 penalty. Then over here, got placing feet on seats is an offence. Maximum penalty $200. Wonder what the penalty today is. Okay, I don't know if you can make this out, but it says destroy habitats and we destroy animals. And over here we have orangutans are the largest fruit-eating animal on Earth. That can't be right. Can it? I'm sure there'd be others. Oh, I'll have to look that up. Maybe I'll put something with super on screen to show what I find out. Looks like someone's been using some Aldi batteries. You can probably hear some dogs too. And I'll figure out that. Spider, fuck. Oh, fuck me. Off he goes. Some switches and dials and stuff. I'm guessing this must have been the kind of control panel. Whatever it is, it's not off. Oh, that didn't sound healthy. Panto rise, panto lower, feed bus. Ah, back in the day you had to feed buses. How about that? Lights on, off. Got a missing one here. More dials, switches. So I should state that I'm kind of moving in and out of the train here due to the fact that you can't actually get to all the parts of it at once. We got a ladder here though. Could go up. I don't know. I mean, kind of don't want to get spotted. Maybe I don't know what the deal is with this bit here. Some kind of coils it looks like. And that bit there, maybe for luggage or storage. I don't know. Oh fuck. That's a bit sketch. Might want to tread lightly. Yeah. That's got to be a door mechanism now I think about it. We've got one on this side, on that side. We go over, see there's more. And yes, there we go, that's what those are. Controls here. Fuck. What was that? I do believe reached the end of the line.